Okay, so translations. Remember in the last video, I talked about how translations is just making something move back and forth or up and down. So usually this is explained to you by using the letters. So D means it's going down, up is U, R is left, and L is, sorry, R is right and L is left, okay? So in this example, we are going to translate this shape, so move it back and forth, R1 and D2. So we're going to move this triangle one block to the right and 2 blocks down. How I do this sometimes so I don't get mixed up is I pick one of the dots in like one of the corners and then I move that, and then that helps me move the rest of the shape. So that's what I did in this slide. So remember, the blue one is the original one. So I picked just this little dot in the corner, and then what I did was I moved it one to the right over here, and then I moved it 2 down over here. And so the dot would now be in this location, and then I just drew the triangle again, so it was exactly the same, except now it's in its new location. That is basically what a translation is. It's just moving it up and down or left and right. So sometimes there are multiple steps, like they'll make you move it like 3 to the left, 2 to the right, but we won't get super complicated. So there are situations where you might do multiple translations. So for this example, the original block is this one right here. It's the rectangle. And we have to figure out what the first translation, so how much it moved the first time, and then how much it moved the second time. So again, an easy way to do this is pick one of the corners. So I'll pick this one right here, and then see how much it moved. So it goes from yellow to red. So it moved 1, 2, 3 to the right, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. So we can write that 3 right, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. And then the second one, it goes from red to green. So again, let's just pick the same corner and let's see how much it moved this time. It moved 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left and 1 down. 4 left, 1 down. So that's basically it. That is how a translation works. It's just moving something back and forth. So I have a few more examples, but I think you guys get the point of it. The easiest way is to pick one of the corners and then see where it moves to when it comes to the new location. And that's translations. So I will do another video for reflections. I know I said I would do 2 videos, but you might have to watch more than 2.